Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to you all. Alright, okay, today this video we cover stock dividend, stock split, and stock right. But this first video, we only cover stock dividend. So I've explained to you in class what is stock dividend, split, and right. So to continue, I just want to refresh it into the theory part. What is stock dividend? Okay, as you all know, when you invest in common shares, you are entitled to get dividends based on the company performance. So from the earning available for common stockholders, earning that you get, the company will share in the form of dividends. All right, based on company dividend policy. However, company can pay us shareholders cash dividends, or they can replace with another dividend we call a stock dividend. Okay, company decide, all right, I don't want to give you cash dividends, but I can give you extra shares. So by giving stock dividends to the shareholders, these will impact your balance sheet, especially the amount of your common stocks will increase, your premium and your return earning as well. Okay, so this beside that is also known as a bonus issue. Sometimes company give stock dividends, give extra shares. That is considered as dividends to shareholders. All right. So don't think that a company only give cash dividends, but they also give in the form of shares. So I would like to recognize. I would like to introduce you all the several formula that you need to know. Okay, um, for stock dividend. So I will provide you the formula um, in final exam, but not all the formula. I will state later. All right. Okay. So the first step, you need to calculate the new common shares. What I mean new common shares, the share that the company want to give to the stock dividend. You will get extra cash. Sorry, extra shares, right? So how many number of new shares I will receive? The shareholder will receive. Okay. So first we need to know what is our current existing number of shares in unit, and how much number of share that we receive, and what is our new total number of shares, the old shares plus with the new shares. Okay, as I told you, bond par value is 1000, preferred stock is 100, but common stock is based on the questions. All right, minimum is 50 cent. Okay, second step, you need to find paid capital, so now we call it all new premium. So just follow the step one by one, including your RE. Alright, this is our current old balance sheet, existing balance sheet. When you issue stock dividends, your balance sheet will change. Okay, um, okay, this is a contract balance sheet. So at the end, when you contract the new balance sheet, you realize that your common shares and your premium and your RE amount will change, but the total will be the same total equities. Okay, now I give you one question. I try to base on this formula one by one. So this is your current partial balance sheet. Why? As you know, balance sheet have a current asset, liabilities, but this is a partial balance sheet. Okay, this is partial balance sheet. Okay, common shares are 2 ringgit at par, 30,000 premium and return earning. So first of all, you need to extract all the information. What type of information? So can you show the effect of the balance sheet? You see, the effect of balance sheet. Very important. When company decide to declare 10% stock dividend to shareholders, and the stock selling at RM5, as mentioned in the previous topic, selling at, issue at, that is market price. So we try to extract the information. So this is the first information that you need to know. So dividend rate is 10%, your market price is 5, and your par value is RM2 ringgit. So now you can start to calculate. Okay, so number of share unit, common share in RM, par value. So how? So your common share in RM, okay, is 30,000. you need to divide your par value. The formula to find number of shares is total RM divided by par value. So this is the calculation. Okay, just to show you. So common share divided by par value. So your common share is 30, your par value is 2. Alright, class. Continue. Okay, so when you get your 15,000 unit, so this is your number of all shares in unit. Try to compare with this, class. Okay, so the number of shares received, your dividend percentage, your stock. This is actually what is your stock dividend in percentage. The question I give you just now, right? I will show you. You see, decided to declare 10% stock dividend. So you time your number of shares unit that you get from here. So 10% times 15 million. So when you want to press in the calculator, put it as 0.1. I repeat, 0.1. Then you get 1.5 million. Alright, 1,500,000 units of shares. Okay, 1,500,000 units of new shares. So what is your total new shares, class? So 15,000 is your old shares. Sorry, 15 million is your old shares plus 1,500,000. So your total is correct. 16,500,000 unit of shares. But I want this in RM. So if you want this in RM, what you have to do, you need to time this par value. That's why you time your par value. Your par value is this, at 2 ringgit at par in your extract information too. So you get 33 million. Done first part. Now you go to second part. Find new premium paid in capital. So, okay. Where get it from the old balance sheet as per given. You see, from the old balance sheet. Just to remind you. Okay. Now next step. Okay. Now what is the formula for this one? Done. Increase in premium market price minus par value times number of new share received. Sorry. So market price is 5. From where I get it? You see, selling at 5. That's why very important you to extract the information first. So by 2, I divide, sorry, minus 2 because it's your par. The formula as stated, minus par value times the number of new share received. From where you can get the answer? You see, number 2, number of share received. So this answer you put here, then you get your increase in premium. This is the amount of increase. Okay, when compare, so before this is 30 million, now your new common stock in RM is 33 million. Before this, your premium is 20 million. Now increased by 4,500,000. So whole premium you will plus with increase in premium. From where you can get old premium? It is come from your current balance sheet in the question. You see, in the partial balance sheet. So this is your new premium. Now we want to find the new return earning. You need to compare with the old one. Okay, so using the same thing, reduction in return earning, market price time new shares received. Why the reduction, guys? Because you have user earning to give dividend, but in the form of shares. That's why common stocks increase. Reduction in return earning, market price time new shares. That's why, class, very important. You must make sure your answer is correct from the first step. Okay, market price is 5. You can get from your information, and then you times your new shares. See, times your new share received from your step 1. Using this, you just follow one by one, step by step. Remember, always use the number of new shares. because based on my experience, students they always put the old numbers of shares. That's wrong. So after you get this, you need to calculate all return earning minus. Why minus? Because it's a reduction. They will reduce your RE because you have give dividend. So RE will reduce. So this is your original return earning from your old balance sheet, 40 million. Okay. Okay, you must calculate using 40. Sorry, this is not 40. I think original is 50. You see, 30 plus 20 plus 50 is 100. Okay, please correct. Please edit your tutorial. Correct me. Okay, correct this question. Use 50. Okay, based on your tutorial, I have changed it. And when you print this tutorial, you will see I put it as 50. Okay, so we use the previous one, 50 minus 50 reduction. So your new one will be 42,500, 42,500,000. Okay, class, you need to construct the new balance sheet. You rewrite back the same thing, okay, but this amount you have to change it to the new one. How? So common share at 2 par, but the value is what now? First step, the answer is 33 million. Then you have to put here. Second one, new premium. The new premium in RM, 24,500,000. And your new return earning, 42,500,000. So you will realize that your common share and your premium increase, but your RE will reduce. The new common share will change. But when you total up, you make sure your total remain unchanged. So that's all on the calculation of dividend. Class, remember, please print this tutorial before you play my video. Okay? Okay, I will give you extra questions later. I want you all to try to calculate and apply all this formula into the question. So, conclusion from me, first you need to calculate the new common shares to get the total. Next, to get the premium, the total premium and your total return earning. So, construct a new balance sheet using this new amount. That's all for today. Thank you.